Hola, hola everyone. Today I will be showing you how to make these beautiful, very affordable napkin holders for your sea theme, ocean theme party, Sweet 16, or Quinceañera. Let's go ahead and begin. Enjoy! You will need stick-on pearls. I got these from Walmart. I will put everything down below from where I got them. 2 plastic cups, ribbon. I'll be using silver. This one's wired for easy bend. Plastic napkin holders, hot glue gun, bouquet of flowers. I'm using these pink ones, but there are many different ones to choose from. Sand, foam circles. These are 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree. Bling, pearls, glitter so it could look nice and pretty, toothpicks, seashells, little clam kind, more ribbon. This one is light pink lace, kind of looks white on this video, and scissors. Now get your bling and foam circle. Put some hot glue on the foam circle and carefully place your bling onto it. Make sure not to get burnt because it is hot. Place it all the way around the foam circle and cut so there won't be extra bling. Now we will get our plastic cup and place it in the middle of the foam circle and glue it all the way around so it'll be nice and secure and won't fall. Now we're going to get your flowers. I already cut my stem so it will fit in the foam circle. Now we're going to take off the leaves. I'm going to go ahead and cut a little bit more. Stick the leaf into the foam circle so it'll make a little hole. Then put some hot glue in it, in the little hole, and your leaf. And then you just insert your flower nicely into your foam circle. And repeat this with all 4 flowers and leaves. Alright, all done. Now the sand. I got this one at Hobby Lobby for $2.99, but they also sell baggies of sand at Dollar Tree. Fill it up, but not all the way because we want our little clam and pearl to fit. If you'd like to see how I put the clams and pearl together, I do got another video that I will link below. Oh yeah, and first, the glitter. Make it nice, sparkly, and pretty. Alright, now we're going to get our little clamshell and pearl and insert it in. I did cut off a piece of the toothpick so it'll fit nicely into the sand. Otherwise it'll be kind of hard to put inside. Now get your other plastic cup It will go on top of the other cup just like this. Put some hot glue on the rim of the plastic cup, all the way around, carefully so no hot glue will go inside the cup because then it'll look messy. And place it on the other one just like that. Make sure it's nice and secure and won't fall over. Put some hot glue around so it'll be very secure. Now we will get our stick-on pearls. These come in rows so it makes it easier to stick on a whole bunch at a time. Now just put a bit of glue on the middle of the plastic cups on that line, and you'll stick them on all the way around. Be careful to not put too much hot glue, just enough, but not too much so it'll look messy. Now we will get our napkin holder. We got these on lacrafts.com. I will link that down below. They were 12 for $4, I believe. Now we will get our pleated ribbon. I'm using this glittery silver one for the top. If you'd like to see how I pleated the ribbon, I made another video for that. Now just add some hot glue on the outer round part of the napkin holder and carefully place the pleated ribbon on. Now we'll get our other ribbon, this lace I pleated, and hot glue it to the bottom of the napkin holder. After you're done with one side, just repeat on the other side. Alright, now for the finale. Sorry I ran out of hot glue. Just put a dab of hot glue on the rim of the bottom of the plastic cup, all the way around. And carefully grab the napkin holder with the ribbon up and place it centered on the cup. Press down so it'll stay. And if you need to, add more hot glue so it'll be nice and secure and won't fall over. Alright, and now we're done. Now you have some beautiful napkin holders. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you. These are other ones that we use different type of ribbon on. And different flowers.